If you're like me, I know you're trying to find ways to save money, and I think this little box right here can do that for you. Let me introduce the V5 Pro. This little unit right here, you can watch all of your live TV, all of your movies, and all of your TV series in one location. Stay tuned for my review. We're going to kind of show you guys the boot sequence of the box. I think this box boots up really nice. I always like the effects of the VC. Everyone's always asking me, what's your favorite? It has to be hands down the vSeeBox. So here we are. We're going to go through and program the remote. It's really simple and easy to do. And of course, if you want a full detailed video of what all is included on the box, you'll have to jump over to my Rumble because I can't show everything here on YouTube because they have problems with that. So let's go ahead and we're going to adjust everything here. We can adjust the screen size. It's pretty much your basic setup. You go and set your time zone. You can connect Ethernet or Wi-Fi. I always prefer Ethernet over Wi-Fi, but there's a lot of times I've had to use Wi-Fi. Then you have to accept the disclaimer of you're responsible for whatever you use this box for. The same thing on every box you ever buy. So we're going to go ahead and accept that. We're going to move over, and now we're set up. And we will be presented, of course, with the main home screen of the box. And of course, like I said at the beginning of the video, we can't show everything here, but you can see that it has all your standard Disney, YouTube, Netflix, everything. It's got a tons of extra content in here that you can use. I do recommend that you go over to my Rumble link below because this is just part one of this setup of this box. I kind of wanted to give you all like a heads up of what it looks like once you finally get it set up. And we'll go into extended details over on Rumble in part two of the video. So be sure to check that link below. That'll take you straight over to my Rumble. And be sure to follow us here. Follow us over on Rumble as well. Guys, this has been the Mad Review. Stay tuned for part two over on Rumble. Hope to see you guys there.